has been treating you well. I hope you've been handling your business, taking care of yourself, and all of that good stuff, and everything in between. Okay. And if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Deja, aka QUEENDEE, and the RoyalFam is what I call my supporters, my subscribers, and those who have been down for me since day one. So if you would like to be a part of the RoyalFam, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss out when I post before you leave this video. And whether you're new or you're old, I need y'all to hit that thumbs up. Smash the like button. Also, because it's going to help me out in the end so y'all can keep seeing my face. But your girl got some good news. So, if you don't follow me on my social media, Instagram, make sure I do that. Front of the video, back of the video, description box on the screen. Follow me. But if you don't, then you want to know that your girl is a brand ambassador for Jamaican Mango and Lime. What? Yes, your girl is a brand ambassador for Jamaican Mango and Lime. So today's video is going to be a product unboxing of all the things that I've been sent so far. I've been sent 3 boxes, so y'all, we're going to get into this. If you're interested in seeing the goodies that I've got, keep on watching, y'all. Keep on watching. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what Jamaican Mango and Lime is, they are a natural hair company that specialize in products for those with natural hair and those with locks as well. So if you have locks, natural hair, anything, they got the products for you. So like I said, I've got 3 boxes worth of products here. So we're gonna get into it because they sent your girl some goodies. So we'll do the first box that I got had a couple goodies in it. It had a shirt in it, but the shirt's dirty. So first, we have the Black Castor Oil Moisture-Rich Shampoo and Conditioner. Right here. Bomb.com. Okay? Whew. Like, I was already using Jamaican Mango and Lime products before this. But now I'm really loving it. And then they also sent me the Black Castor Oil. They sent me the Argan one and the Extra Dark, which, y'all, I love their Black Castor Oils. I already had about 4 in my collection. Y'all know my natural hair product collection is pretty deep. So I already had about 4 in there. And I also had the Island Oil over there. That was my second one that I had bought. But castor oil, y'all know Jamaican Black Castor Oil is good for the hair. It's good for the hair. It's gonna make the growing happen. So I'm loving my collection of growing. Okay. And then the second box had more oils in it. It had the Jamaican Mango and Lime Hemp Oil. This one is infused with pimento. So I have not tried the hemp collection yet. So I'm very excited to try these oils out right here. This one. Then look at the packaging too. I don't want y'all to see my address. But look at this box. It is so cute. And then the second one I was in here is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Hemp Oil infused with black seed oil. And I love me some black seed oil because that is really good for the skin. So, and I love an oil you can use on your hair or your skin. So trust me, these will be getting used. And then I have the Jamaican Mango and Lime Hemp Oil infused with neem seed oil. So very excited to try these 3 because these are newer and I have not tried these yet. Then the last box that they sent me, the most recent one, this is some products for locks, which I'm excited for because your girl is going to be starting her locks very soon. Before the year is up, I will have locks in my hair. So this is what it looks like in the box. And they send you full size products. They're not cheating you. So then it just tells you like information on the different products they have offer for locks and things of that nature. Then it gives you some information on how to like moisturize and style your locks, which I appreciate as well. So first we have the Mango and Lime Cactus Grow. It thickens and strengthens, prevents breakage, repairs and heals, all that stuff. So it's a treatment for the locks. It says apply directly to scalp and massage. So I'm gonna smell it. So this is how it looked. It looked like, you know, the grease. That's what it looked like. So yes, I'm excited for that. Then I have the Cactus Leave-In Moisturizer. It extracts and retains natural moisture, repairs damaged and dry locks, no buildup. So that is what that looks like. And it's a cactus. It's their cactus grow line. And it smells, it don't smell bad, actually. It smells like a natural product. Then I have the Cactus Oil Serum, which helps stimulate blood flow, strengthens roots, repairs and heals, no buildup as well, which I appreciate no buildup because nobody want to build up on their locks. And then the last product I have here is the Cactus Oil. Are they both cactus oil? This is just cactus oil. Extracts and retains natural moisture, helps prevent breakage, and lubricates and heals. So this is green, which is interesting. But yeah, cactus oil, y'all. So I'm super grateful for this opportunity. Thank you, Jamaican Mango Lime, for the products. When I tell you, hair care about to be on and popping, videos about to hair videos about to be on and popping, hair videos are about to be on and popping. Definitely will have some reviews coming for y'all too. So if y'all want any reviews on any of these products or y'all want updates, let me know. Because I got y'all. Because the content is coming. Definitely make sure you're following my Instagram because I'll be posting a lot on there as well pertaining to Jamaican Mango and Lime. So follow me on there. Y'all know where it is. But yes, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.